Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Chi. I'm here and I'm finna help you get your hair right. Okay? So we are back to the beginning. We are back to the natural, beautiful 4C fro, okay? So from this, I'm gonna help you guys turn it into that.
Come and hype me up. Please come and hype me up. Hype me up. Hype me up. Hype me up.
First things first, I'm gonna run through all the products that we're gonna need for this tutorial. First, we're gonna grab our comb, okay? And we're going to make our parts. So y'all already know I like my parts nice and crisp, like a pizza crust, nice and crisp, okay? We're gonna do a nice part from here to here. And by the way, guys, my hair is stretched out. I did blow dry it a little bit. I would recommend, if you have type 4C hair like mine, to stretch out your hair a little bit. It just really completes the style. Now that we got our two pigtails all set and established, we're gonna now start to gel our hair up and get that nice slick look that I love, okay? So for me, I'm gonna be using Eco Styler. For some weird reason, Eco Styler works on my 4C hair, but that's only because I also use a little bit of Kisha's edge control, kind of right on top, to really snatch my hair. Alright, so as you guys can see, I slicked back this right where I want the pigtail to be, but I slicked it back into a small bun. It's very important that you guys get your hair into a bun over here. It just makes it way easier for us when we want to attach the ponytail to it for the actual pigtails, okay? Make your bun as small as you possibly can. So I have my buns offset and they're done. So what I'm looking at right now is I just want to make sure that my buns are even. So right now it looks even. In the mirror it looks even, so I'm guessing that they're even. But that's like one of my biggest pet peeves, when like I do my hair and I'm trying to do like pigtails or ponytail and like it's just not even. Like, what? That's so annoying. Like, one is like a little bit to the front, the other one is like to the left. Like, what? Like, they speak in two different languages. We want both of our buns to be speaking the same language, okay? Alright, so these are the two bundles right over here. So for each pigtail, we're gonna use about 1 3/4 of Kanekalon hair. We don't want the pigtail to be too thin, but we also don't want it to be too thick, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this full bundle here, and then I'm gonna grab 3/4 of this. So I'm gonna grab about 75%. I'm gonna leave this little piece to the side. So this is what we're left with, okay? All right. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my trusty headband over here, my trusty hairband, right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the braiding hair through the hairband, okay? Height, okay? We're gonna just start braiding like normal. So the trick is to basically make the first braid that you do just a little bit looser than the rest. And I'll tell you why later on, okay? So Y'all already know what to do here. We're gonna first start with our braid. Just braid like normal. But remember to make the first braid just a teensy-weensy bit looser, okay? It's a little looser. See? It's a little looser. Just a little bit. Okay? And as soon as we make that first braid a little bit looser, we're gonna just braid like normal all the way down. Alright y'all, so this next step is optional. So I'm about here with the braid, and as you can see, the hair it's running out. Now for me, I'm extra as hell, so I want these braids to be touching my butt. I want them touching my ass. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab extra hair from the pack that's left, and I'm gonna use it to extend the braid. Now that the pigtail is done, I'm going to show you guys how to basically conceal the bun that's right on top of the head. As you can see, I have my braid over here, my long cute braid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the hair to the front, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it. I'm going to flip it over so that the ponytail covers my bun completely, right? Then as soon as it's flipped, you see how my bun is right here? See? Ooh. Ponytail, bun, ponytail, bun, ponytail, bun, ponytail. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just smush it inside, just like that, and then voila! Hey, voila! Right? And then to keep it nice and secure, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start putting in some bobby pins. Alright, so we're going to move the braid to the front of our head. As soon as the braid is on the opposite side, we're then going to flip the braid and then smush the bun right into the beginning of the braid. Now you guys see why I wanted you to make the first braid a little bit looser, because that's the braid that's going to be hiding our bun. Now you can't forget the edges. Y'all know how I feel about edges. I love me some calm, cute edges. This is optional though. Don't feel like you have to. And then bada boom, bada bing. We done. And then, ooh, okay. Ooh. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys some cute ways to really style up your pigtails, okay? So the first way is going to be to add some shades, add some jewelry, some earrings, anything to really make your pigtails pop, make your outfit pop. Now the second way to really add some seasoning to your look is to add some hair clips. So these are some cute pearl hair clips that I got from Amazon. The link is going to be down below. Style on them is to add a cute headband. So I got this pearl headband from Natural Hair Rocks. I'm gonna leave a link down to it below. This headband is cute, but you could rock any headband that you like. And there you have it, y'all.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a blast making it. I had so much fun, as you guys can see. I always have fun making videos for y'all. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and everything. I'm gonna link everything down below, okay? I love you guys so much. And remember, you are beautiful, and I freaking love you to the moon, okay? See ya.